Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Gamechanger, how to invite parents. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Inviting parents to join your team on Gamechanger enhances communication and keeps everyone informed. To do that, what you need to do is head over and then open up your Gamechanger app, and then once you are here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account here, what you need to do is tap on your teams, and then once you're inside your teams, what you need to do is tap on the teams option once again. Now once you're inside your teams option, here you'll be finding the option that says add staff right here. Simply tap on that. Now here all you gotta do is input the parent's email address or phone number, and optionally add their name and relationship to the player. Then once that's done, tap send invite. Then the parent will receive an invitation to join the team on Gamechanger. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.